Hello, welcome to Inside My Refrigerator. I'm going to do a refrigerator tour. I'm going to start with the side doors. Let's start with the side doors. And hopefully this thing does not beep too much. I'm just going to show you the necessities. And that is called pickles. Love to have these with some popcorn. Have them in my pantry. I don't really have a pantry, it's an open pantry, but the sunroom is basically our pantry. Okay. Get some relish, get some dipping sauce, some Tabasco sauce. We got olives over here. Like, yeah, we got olives, more relish, mayo for tuna. I don't eat tuna, my roommate does. And these are the best things ever. Zero sugar candy, got Hershey's, got Reese's Pieces, got a bottle of wine. I gave up alcohol for Lent, so I don't drink anymore. Got some pomegranate, ranch, mustard. I'll do this as fast as I can. Okay. I have a big fridge. Get that out of my fridge. Okay. Okay, perfect. All right. Okay, on top here I have cranberry juice and some waters, some milk, and this one, some more cranberry, my roommate's beer, my coffee, it's empty. Yeah, this is the caramel Starbucks one, or ice. We got pineapples, blueberries, all the berries. We got pineapple, strawberries. We have a lot of sodas. We are soda drinkers, but they're diet sodas. They're just as bad, but it's something. I need my caffeine. So, yeah, we have root beer, Canada Dry, zero sugar, Canada Dry, zero sugar root beer, zero sugar Coke Zero, and then Dr. Pepper. And here there's our little cheese drawers. We have some caramel dip for our apples. More apples. You can see that. Making noises. I'm gonna do this real quick. Okay. Hot dogs, cheese. I got mild cheddar and then Monterey Cold Jack. They're 2%. I got string cheese, some yogurt, lemon, and then mixed berries, pecans, avocados, cookies, bacon. And here, more caramel dip. Got tomatoes, more apples, grapes, little carrot slices, asparagus. Okay, that's in that. All right, we do have cream cheese, butter, leftover mac and cheese, leftover chili. So yeah, okay. Now it's the top half. Okay. Now into my refrigerator. Now into the freezer. And I'm just gonna move this here. I'm gonna stop this, turn it around, so you guys can just get the full view. Here is my freezer. Yeah, I love my breakfast bowls. Get some frozen fries. Okay, got some gelato. That's my roommate's. That's mine. I haven't got into it. Okay. Yeah, amazing organized. Unorganized, but it's not, trust me. I don't like to eat the same thing over and over again. So I like in order I want to eat them and say I want pasta, I'll save that for one morning. Then I eat a pizza one morning. I get some more pasta. I got a lot of pasta in here. Normally I have breakfast bowls for breakfast. So yeah. Okay, that's my freezer. Okay. And then this, we kind of have like two pantries. This is our like snack thing, and my best friend, my microwave, love him. We got pretzels, goldfish, more Dr. Pepper, some more waters, graham crackers, good cream cheese. And here's our cereal thing and some mac and cheese. More zero sugar Hershey bars. Those are really good. And then some more pecans, brownie mix, cheeses in the back there. They're almost gone. Some Riley's Light. They're lemonade, pink lemonade. Yeah, you just put these in water. They're good. We got some granola bars, some Ritz crackers here, peanut butter crackers. And up here we got our bread. My favorite chips, the cheddar jalapeno one. Some normal Cheetos, some Lay's. We have a big box to show you. Let's just turn my ugly feet for a bit. Okay. Yeah, this is our big bag. Yeah, we had one with the Lay's. I just put the leftover Lay's in here. So yeah. Some more brownie bites. Some diced tomatoes. Put that in everything. Some rice, corn, green beans. That's on that side. Popcorn. I love popcorn. So I got a new thing. Big bag of rice. Over here we got our like vinegar oil. I don't drink this. There's a margarita mix. I don't drink that. We got a lot of vinegar oil. Some lemon powder. More powder. Chili powder. Olives. Cranberry sauce. Probably expired by now. Some broccoli and cheese. That's my favorite soup. Some more broth. Chicken broth. Chili. More soup. Yeah, and that's it on that. That is my refrigerator and pantry tour. Hope you guys like that. Yeah, I've been seeing refrigerator tours recommendation all over my channel page. Yeah, so hope you guys like mine. And I'll see you in the next one. Leave me video suggestions for this channel. And bye.